All right, buckle up, everybody, because today we're taking a deep dive into something that might sound a little, well, a little dry at first glance.
Oh, tell me about it.
But I promise, it's way more exciting than it sounds.
You got that right.
We're talking about DAX.
DAX, yes.
Data Analysis Expressions.
The powerhouse of data analysis.
Specifically, we're zeroing in on this thing called a CROSSFILTER function in, you guessed it, Excel.
The good old spreadsheet. Who knew it could do so much?
Right. But listen, even if you aren't a spreadsheet ninja,
Oh, absolutely.
this is powerful stuff, and it can change how you think about your data.
Data's everywhere, right?
Everywhere.
So DAX, it's like it gives you superpowers to actually make sense of it all.
Superpowers, I like that.
Yeah, because you see, DAX goes way beyond your basic adding and subtracting in Excel.
Right.
It's this whole language, right? Specifically built for data analysis.
So we're not just like crunching numbers.
No.
We're making data sets.
Yeah.
Like talk to each other.
You got it. It's all about relationships, making those different pieces of data actually work together, you know?
Okay, I'm intrigued. So let's break this down.
Let's do it.
When we talk about CROSSFILTER, are we talking about like how a filter on one table can impact what we see on another table?
Exactly. It's like, imagine you have these different data tables,
Okay.
like different cities,
Right.
and you're building bridges between them.
Okay, I like this analogy. Keep going.
Yeah, so each side of the bridge, right, it's a column in your tables.
Okay.
It connects the information.
So like sales figures in one city and product info in another.
Exactly. And CROSSFILTER, that's our traffic controller.
I knew it.
It manages how data flows between those bridges, between those cities.
So it's like deciding if traffic flows both ways, one way or not at all.
You're getting it, and that's where the magic of this direction parameter comes in.
Okay, hit me with it. What are my options for directing traffic?
Well, you got a few choices, right? You can go with both. That means filtering one table is going to filter the other one too.
Two-way street.
Exactly. Two-way street. Data flows both ways.
Okay, what else?
Then there's none.
None.
Yeah, that's like saying, hey, you two tables, you stay in your own lanes, no filtering between you. They're independent.
So if I'm like looking at website traffic, but I don't want my product sales numbers messing with that data.
Boom. None is your best friend.
Okay, got it.
But hold on, things get even spicier with one-way filtering.
Oh, here we go. One-way streets. This is where it gets interesting.
Right. You get to choose which side of the bridge, which table is calling the shots.
I like having that power.
You and me both. So picture this. You're analyzing website traffic, right? You can use one-way left filters, right? And that lets you see how many folks landing on a product page actually buy something.
So you can see the flow, but the sales numbers don't like skew the traffic data.
You got it. It's like seeing the customer journey without any distractions.
This is powerful stuff.
And for even more control, you have one-way left filters right and one-way right filters left.
Hold on. Those sound familiar.
Similar, but different. These let you choose which specific table is filtering and which one is being filtered. Total control.
So like I could see how clicking a specific button on my website leads to, I don't know, more newsletter signups.
Absolutely. Or think bigger. Like imagine you're a regional sales manager, right?
Okay, I'm listening.
You want to see if that new marketing campaign in, let's say, City A actually boosted sales.
Yeah, and you can see that with CROSSFILTER.
Boom.
Yeah.
You could isolate City A's sales and at the same time see how their inventory levels were affected, all because of that campaign.
That's amazing. So it's not just about like looking at data. It's about understanding how it all connects.
You hit the nail on the head, and that, my friend, is what makes this so valuable.
Okay, I'm sold, but I'm guessing there are some limitations.
Of course, no tool is perfect, right?
Right.
So CROSSFILTER, it only works within certain DEX functions, and not in every single Excel mode.
So it's not a magic wand.
Not quite, but knowing when and how to use it, that's the game changer.
All right, so let's recap. We've talked about DAX, which is like this whole other level of Excel. And then CROSSFILTER is like this conductor, right? Managing all the relationships between your data.
It's like a symphony, right? Each instrument playing its part, but the conductor brings it all together.
I like that. And it's all about getting those aha insights. Bro.
Exactly. And those insights can be applied anywhere, from your website to your sales numbers to, the sky's the limit.
I'm starting to see that. But here's the real question for everyone listening.
Hit us with it.
How could you, yes, you, use this stuff to solve problems, make decisions, even outside of spreadsheets? Think about it. The info you deal with every day, how can understanding those hidden relationships lead to better outcomes?
That's the real challenge, right? And the beauty of it is DAX and data analysis, it's a huge world out there.
A whole world to explore.
Who knows what other powerful tools are waiting to be discovered?
Exactly. Happy exploring, everyone. See you next time.
See ya.